Some November. Saints imagery. Oh, find more at that site, saints-imagery.blogspot.com. And this right here is the graphic art. Hope to get a nice slideshow of both the graphic art and those prepared as a 4x6 photo. So you can just print it out, then laminate, and you got a nice set of Saints imagery for a month. Try to call me 424-229-4140 to see the devil stealing Saints imagery. Then come see me in person and tell me all about that saint I need to design around. Some January saints designed this 16th of December 2018. Got a nice saint you think needs an image? Your favorite saint or just a well-known saint? Even a lesser-known saint? Try to call me, 424-229-4140. I'm Melton, John Melton Brady. And see religious censorship that affects our lifelines. So make a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. Those hijacking your calls to me are worried enough about to alter phone records covered up. Then come see me in person to tell me all about that saint. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California 90065. Certified mail as well. I'm Melton. This is my latest Saints imagery. A couple of February Saints. I apologize for the slideshow being so quick, but might be better to do something like a 4-second slideshow in this one. Let whoever scroll through to the ones they want to see. But yes, Saint Tresson, an Irish saint who went to France with a bunch of his siblings to evangelize, and Saint Cointha of Egypt. Got a saint? Try to call me, 424-229-4140 and see religious censorship. Make a video of that. That's also lifeline censorship. Come see me in person, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California 90065. I'm Melton. Couple of February, the saints this Christmas Eve 2018. Saint John Stone and Saint Agatha. Got a saint that you'd like to have an image designed around? You think they need a nice image, a known saint, an unknown saint? Try to call me, 424-229-4140 to tell me all about that saint. And yes, see the devil conducting religious censorship. That is also lifeline censorship. Make a video, whatever you get when you don't get me. You can certify your mail as well. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California 90065. I'm John Melton Brady. Melton. Come tell me about that saint in person. A couple of February. Oh, I can never pronounce that. February? Why did they put the R in? Couple of February. A saint. To start off February, at least my imagery design. I'm Melton. Got a saint, known, unknown, famous, unfamous, that you think should have an image designed around it by me? Yeah, try to call me, 424-229-4140 and make a video of religious censorship in America that can place a cowardly Hussein in our White House. Right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins. 424-229-4140. You got the timestamp on your phone. You got the number dialed. Come see me in person. Tell me all about that saint. Well, January saints today. Saint Apollo, an Egyptian saint, and Saint Messalina, Italian, I believe, saint. Try to call me and tell me about a saint I should design an image around. I'm Melton. 424-229-4140, and see religious censorship that affects our lifelines. So make a video. Been asking for a 911 Flight 93 check. That's you picking up the phone and reaching me without religious censorship stopping you. For 10 years, a decade, make a video of religious censorship that affects our lifelines, and yes, certified mail to me, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Couple of January saints today. The 7th of December 2018, Saint Henry. Feast day the 19th of January, and Saint Fechin on the 20th, an Iris Abbey founder. And Saint Henry was a Swedish bishop who was martyred while converting some Finns. Got a saint that needs an image design? Try to call me. 424-229-4140 and see the devil stealing your call. Then come see me in person. Remember to make a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. If you're worried enough about talk to phone records, covered up, guys. I'm Melton, John Melton Brady, and I just got the one saint design today. I'm working on February 2018. The blue doesn't show up as well, does it? I think the white will work best for the graphic art photos. I'll work on some more saints tomorrow, hopefully. It's a Sunday. Remember, when you can't reach me to tell me what you believe, 424-229-4140, or to ask me what I mean by Jesus' Immaculate House, or just to tell me about a saint that needs an image design. That's religious censorship, guys. Yes, the kind that can place a cowardly Hussein in our White House right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins. No, I'm not a fan of the Russian guy either. Make that video, whatever you get, when you get Lifeline censorship, and try to call me while you try to call me. Cope, patron saint of Hawaiian lepers and outcasts. She worked and started hospitals in New York and Hawaii, where she treated the lepers. Of feast day, January 23rd, death 1918. Find more saints prepared to be printed as 4x6 photos at saints-imagery.blogspot.com. You got a saint you think needs an image? Try to call me to tell me about that saint. 424-229-4140. And yes, see religious censorship that affects our lifelines. So make that video. Whatever you get when you don't get me. You can come see me in person. Tell me all about that saint. A couple of January saints. Saint Malgitha and Saint Margaret of Hungary. Got a favorite saint? Got a saint that's coming up in the next few months, and you think they deserve a nice image? Well, they all deserve nice images, don't they? Try to call me, 424-229-4140. See the devil stealing that saint's image. Make a video of that, because it's also your lifeline not working. Not 1-911 Flight 93 taking over a decade of asking. That's you calling me up, knowing that your phone works all the time. Make that video. Those hijacking your calls to me, worried enough about it, talk to phone records to cover it up. See me in person with you, saint.